Something massive just happened inside Apple Park, and it has completely broken the tech industry's timeline. While the world was watching Cupertino, waiting for a traditional, flashy spring keynote, Apple pulled a move so aggressive, so highly calculated, and so fundamentally disruptive that it has caught every competitor completely off guard. We are not just talking about another standard product refresh. We are talking about the sudden, unannounced arrival of an entirely new era of computing architecture, mobile dominance, and next-generation wearables. Behind closed doors, deep within the supply chain, production lines have shifted to build hardware that wasn't supposed to exist yet. Apple just fast-tracked their most powerful custom silicon in history, skipping standard release cycles to drop a weapon that completely obliterates the line between portable computers, ultra-mobile tablets, and the flagship devices you carry every single day. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Apple MacBook Pro M6 Max. The absolute crown jewel of this silent execution is the unexpected, early arrival of the MacBook Pro powered by the M6 Max chip. This is the machine that the supply chain insisted was at least a year away, but Apple bypassed those limitations entirely by successfully commercializing a highly advanced, ultra-dense 2-nanometer manufacturing process. The M6 Max features a completely overhauled, hyper-wide unified memory architecture that allows the central processor and the graphics cores to share data instantaneously with practically zero latency. Early internal testing metrics show this thin, portable piece of aluminum delivering graphical rendering speeds and computational throughput that rival massive, liquid-cooled desktop towers with dedicated graphics cards, all while running in complete silence on a battery that lasts for hours. Apple iPad Mini 8. While the Pro world is reeling from that laptop breakthrough, Apple has simultaneously saved their most portable tablet from obsolescence with the sudden drop of the iPad Mini 8. 4 years, the smallest tablet in the lineup felt like an afterthought, but Apple has completely re-engineered it into a pocket-sized creative powerhouse by equipping it with a specialized variant of their desktop-class silicon. They have permanently fixed the display issues of the past by introducing an ultra-smooth, high refresh rate promotion display that makes scrolling, drawing, and gaming look incredibly fluid and instantaneous. The physical design has been refined with shaved-down bezels, an incredibly lightweight aerospace aluminum chassis, and enhanced magnetic architecture that supports the latest precision stylus tools with near-zero latency. With an upgraded thermal management system that allows the compact processor to run at maximum capacity without throttling, the iPad Mini 8 is no longer just a media consumption device. Apple Watch Ultra 4. But the disruption moves directly from your hand to your wrist with the unannounced unveiling of the Apple Watch Ultra 4. This is not just a standard fitness tracker upgrade. It is a fundamental shift in wearable technology, featuring a highly durable, stealth-finished forged carbon matrix casing that sheds significant weight while doubling structural impact resistance for extreme environments. The display has been completely overhauled with a next-generation micro-LED panel that achieves an astronomical brightness level, making it perfectly readable under the blinding desert sun or deep underwater, while simultaneously utilizing an advanced power cycling algorithm that extends battery life to an unprecedented 5 full days on a single charge. The real breakthrough lies in the medical-grade sensor array integrated into the back crystal, which introduces non-invasive, continuous glucose tracking and advanced deep-dive hydration analytics powered by a highly localized neural processor. Apple MacBook Neo 2. Just when you thought the Mac lineup couldn't get any more interesting, Apple has quietly introduced an entirely new category of hardware with the launch of the MacBook Neo 2. Positioned as the spiritual successor to the ultra-thin form factors of the past, this machine introduces a radical, fanless, dual-display philosophy that completely eliminates the traditional physical keyboard. The entire lower deck of the laptop is a highly advanced, tactile-responsive glass surface that dynamically morphs based on what software you are running, transforming from a full-sized keyboard and trackpad into a massive digital drafting board, an audio mixing console, or an extended timeline video editor. Powered by an ultra-efficient, next-generation baseline chip, the MacBook Neo 2 achieves a profile that is as thin as an iPad while delivering sustained day-long battery life and instant wake speeds. It utilizes a highly sophisticated haptic engine that perfectly mimics the physical sensation of clicking keys. Apple iPhone 18 Pro Max. While these computing shifts are massive, the true center of everyone's digital life is the smartphone, and Apple has completely rewritten the flagship playbook with an early look at the iPhone 18 Pro Max. This device represents the absolute pinnacle of mobile engineering, stripping away all remaining physical ports and buttons in favor of a completely seamless, solid-state titanium frame that utilizes capacitive pressure zones with localized haptic feedback. Under the hood, The next-generation mobile processor is built on an advanced architecture that handles complex real-time computational photography and local generative AI tasks without generating a hint of heat. The camera system has been radically upgraded with a revolutionary liquid lens telephoto module that allows for seamless, continuous optical zoom from 3 times to 20 times magnification without a single moving mechanical part inside the chassis. Coupled with an under-display camera system that hides the sensors completely when not in use. AirPods Pro 4. To complete this massive ecosystem overhaul, Apple has dropped the perfect audio companion with the release of the AirPods Pro 4. The audio architecture inside these earbuds has been completely redesigned with custom high-excursion drivers and a dedicated acoustic processor that delivers a soundstage so wide and distinct it feels like sitting in a high-end theater. The active noise cancellation has reached a terrifying level of efficiency, utilizing ultra-fast external microphones.